金翰在美国 Welcome to my channel 在影片开始之前，我想跟各位知会一声，因为我老爸跟我老妈的要求，所以之后我会用中文来录影。一开始我会用英文的原因，是因为我想说来练习一下我的英文。然后有一天，我老爸跟我老妈跟我讲说，看字幕看得很累，他们说好吧，之后就用中文。所以话不多说，让我们来逛波士顿吧。Hey guys, this is Henry, and guess what? I'm in Boston, and this is the second time visiting Boston. And now I'm visiting Bunker Hill Monument. This monument is famous though for the first battle of American Revolution from the British in 1775. As you noticed that in my previous videos that Foley Historic Park, it was talking about the battle of the British and American in Foley. And now you can see here it's really beautiful and it's good weather to go out, so let's go check it out. North End 是在波士顿著名的意大利村，你可以看到很多意大利餐厅，但当我要去吃中餐的时候，我发现满满都是人在排队。我忘了那一周是毕业周和母亲节，因为很多餐厅都只接受提前预约。
Sing Yeah. Oh yeah. Swing it. Everybody clap your hands. Clap your hands for him. And clap your hands for her. Everybody clap your hands. Let's go. Let's go. Oh yeah. Let's go. One. Oh yeah. You got the John Travolta top. There you go. Let's go. To the other side. Other side. Turn it up. Let's go. Let's go.
昆西市场在波士顿是一个历史悠久的市场，它建立于西元1824年与1826年间。我很喜欢它的建筑设计，它让我感觉很新鲜，所以让我们来逛一下吧。
Hey guys, it was a short trip to Boston and it's raining today, but I have a wonderful walking tour through Boston on Saturday. And it seems like walking in a history book while visiting several spots. And it was really wonderful to visit Boston during the warmer weather. And the last time I was here during the winter, it was freezing. And yeah, it was really cool. And if you would like to refresh your memory for my last visit, and I will put a link on the right top corner and you can go to check it out. And that's all for today. I hope you all enjoy my video and you all know the drill. Henry in USA. See you next time. Bye.
Just the same.